Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you meal planning for the entire week. This is just a random week in our life and there are two ways we can do meal planning. Either you plan your meals and then go for grocery and vegetable shopping, or you just buy anything that you get in the market and then you plan your meals according to that. So because of all this pandemic and the lockdown, the way I do it right now is I get all the vegetables that I can get and then I decide what meals I'm going to make in the week. So basically, being a working professional, it is difficult to get up every day and start thinking what we are going to cook and then prepare for it and then cook. So meal planning will definitely help you to stay organized and have more healthy meals, because when you write it down, you see what you are not having in your meal, whether you are missing on protein or fiber or any such thing, and you have this registered in your mind that you would add that next week. With that said, let's see what I prepared this week and what preparations were required beforehand to go ahead and have these meals. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and please like this video. So we are a family of two and these are the meals that we prepared for this particular week. So these are all the vegetables that we are going to use. This is broccoli that I'll use in fried rice, and I'll also mince it and use it in burger. Same goes with the cauliflower. I have taken out some tomatoes so that I'll make some rasam. I have kacha aam for aam panna. This is arbi that I'll use, like I'll just fry it and use it. This is dal for sambar. This is imli, which will go both in my rasam and in sambar. These are some potatoes, and there's a lot of potatoes, but I'm going to make burgers on Friday, and also I'm going to make stuffed capsicum, so I would use all of them. Then I have some carrots that I'll use in sambar as well as burger and fried rice that I'm going to make. Then these are drumsticks for sambar and the sabji that I'm going to make. This is Loki. I'll make a sabji with chana dal with this. And these are capsicums that I'll use in stuffed capsicum sabji as well as fried rice. Now we'll start preparing our veggies. I'll peel everything, I'll chop the stuff, and I already have my pressure cookers ready. I'll go ahead and pressure cook all the stuff and I'll meet you later. Okay, so now I have chopped most of my vegetables and I have my arbi in this cooker, I have my potatoes in that cooker, I have my sambar, dal and all the vegetables in this cooker, and I don't have a steamer, so I have made this arrangement so that I can steam some broccoli and cauliflower and use it in my vegetable fried rice. So while I'm waiting for my vegetables to get cooked, I'm going to quickly go ahead and chop some vegetables like carrots and capsicum and the leftover broccoli and cauliflower, and I'm going to use this electronic chopper to chop my vegetables. And I also still have my tomatoes for my rasam and my for my ampana, which I'm going to put it to boil after this is done. So my vegetables are boiled now, and I have put my tomato and the raw mangoes so that we can process them later. In the meanwhile, I am cutting my capsicum, my carrot, and I'm using this electronic chopper from Borosil. It's a very nice gadget and it's very fun, easy to use, and I'm just loving using it. So finally, after all these hours of preparation, we are done. On Monday, I have planned sabudana for the afternoon because we have fast, and at night we'll have ragi, and I'll mix all these vegetables in ragi powder and make it. And on Tuesday for lunch, we are having arbi ki sabji, some rasam and rice, and for dinner we will have fried rice, and I'll use up these vegetables again to make my fried rice. Then for Wednesday in the morning, I'll be making methi with moong dal. I already got this methi that has been processed. I got this from Big Basket, and with that we'll have some roti. And at night we will have idli sambar, and I already have cooked my dal and vegetables for sambar. And for Thursday in the morning, we'll have Loki with some chana dal, and we'll have some roti with it. And at night I'll have drumstick sabji with some roti. And for Friday, finally we'll have some stuffed capsicum, for which I have mixed my boiled potatoes with some ginger, garlic and green chilies. I just added some turmeric to it, and I just mixed everything together. And for the dinner, we will have burgers, for which I have already made the masala. I'll make a tikki with it. So I used boiled potatoes again with this vegetables, and I added some chili flakes and some Italian seasoning. Along with that, I have my tomato puree, and after I pureed it, I mixed it with the same water which I used to boil it in, so that it will have some more flavor. I have my tamarind juice ready for my rasam and my sambar, and this is ampana which I made. I know it looks darker in color because I had used gur in it instead of sugar, so that makes it healthy. Just make sure that you bring everything to the room temperature before you go ahead and keep them in your refrigerator, and you will be done for the week. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you.